YouTube, it's your boy Nick Wavy. I'm back with a new video. Now today, I don't know where Denny is. I think he went upstairs, but I'm about to give him a fresh cut. Now, if you guys remember the last haircut we did, I think I gave him like a 2, and I don't think I gave him a lineup. So this time we're gonna do a full haircut, full wave cut. He's been wolfing, and I'm excited because I haven't cut somebody's hair in a long time. Let me see if I got better or for worse. So, yo, Denny. Where you at, bro? We want to see the waves, bro. Hey, but yo, put the brush down. They can't see the brush yet. You guys want to see the brush? Should we show them the brush?
Let me know.
Let's see the waves first. Let's see what the waves are looking like. Cause you've been wolfing, bro. Come over here to the light. Maybe come over here. There you go. Yeah, you've been wolfing, bro. So I don't know what to cut this with. Maybe like you said you still wanted it kind of long, right?
Probably like this level.
Like that, okay.
A little bit higher.
I guess we're not gonna show them the brush.
Not today.
Not today. Alright, you guys, so this is the before the cut. Yeah, I think I started out with a 2, but I didn't include that in this clip. But oh, excuse me, I started out with a 2 and it wasn't really cutting any hair, so I switched it to a 1, and that definitely took everything. It took it to a perfect length, the exact length that he needs to stay wavy. So yeah, it's not really hard to give a cut because you just basically put a guard on and you just go with the hair, so you can't really mess it up. It's more so about the taper and the lineup. That's where mistakes can really happen, because you know, if it's not really perfect and you slip, you can't get that hair back. So I started out giving him oh, we're not even there yet, we're still cutting, but yeah, it's pretty easy. I don't think I closed the guard, did I can't really see. I think I kept it open. I was going with the grain. He could probably go lower, but the 1 is definitely a perfect length. Yeah, I have it open. So I'm just getting behind the ears. I'm making sure I got everything to a clean level. Taking my time going over it with the grain, and I wasn't nervous. Like, usually if I were to give someone a cut, I think I'll be nervous. Like the first time I cut him, I was nervous. Not really nervous, but like, it's just whatever, you know. So this was after I gave him the 1 and I just trimmed it down, so I'm just combing everything with the grain again. I'm not sure if I went over it again with the 1, but I honestly don't think cutting hair is that hard. It really depends on the hair you're gonna get. Now, cutting waves is pretty simple because you just go with the grain or against the grain and taper. That's it. You just need to know what length you want to cut. I personally don't like cutting too low because I like having a decent amount of hair on my head. So yeah, into the taper right now. I started out giving him the bald line, and the tapers that he likes tapers that are relatively high, and I didn't go as high this time around because I'm not even used to it. I'm not used to doing high tapers, so next time I give him a cut, I'm gonna really go high. I started out with my wild detailers, bald lined it, and I got my no guard fast feeds, closed the gap, and I flicked it up a little bit. Then I went 1 with the grain over it, and now I'm hitting that with I believe it's a 1. Not sure if it's closed or not, but I'm working it. I'm trying to blend it, but I'm being very careful. When I cut someone's hair, I'm not risking anything. I'm taking it very careful and safe, but doing that, it won't give you as sharp as a cut if you were to take a risk and really, you know, fade the hair. So I was taking my time with it. I was making sure I wasn't making any mistakes, and I'm hitting this with the corner of the blade. I'm not covering the whole blade, the whole guard. I'm not using the whole guard. I'm just using the corners, and the corners will allow me to be precise. And then I think I had my guard open and closed here with no guard. I'm just flicking it, just trying to blend out the lines. And it's just like drawing to me, but you don't really need artistic skills. Like, you would think that you need to be an artist to cut hair. Not necessarily. It's more so about just knowing what guards do. I think that's basically it. And then it's more so about getting comfortable while cutting hair. So I'm pretty comfortable cutting hair. I've been cutting hair for a long time now. I haven't cut a lot of other people's hair, but I still have cut my hair enough to a point where I'm pretty comfortable. Then at the back, it was kind of hard to see. Like, I wasn't able to record the full taper on the neck, but I basically set my bald line. I trimmed it with the grain. I just worked my way up. I think the back was the weakest part of this taper, of this haircut that I gave. I wish I could go back and make it better, but that's where you make mistakes, when you try and make it perfect. You know, you might make a slip and boom, you ruin the whole cut. So I couldn't really record this, but I started with a no guard, 0 guard, and a 1 guard, and I just worked my way up until everything was pretty much blended. I didn't want to go too high because I want the waves to stay in the back. And that's basically it with the taper. I didn't record the other side. It was really hard to record this, but at least we got some good angles right here. And again, y'all, don't be scared to cut hair. It's just, if you want to start cutting hair, I think the first thing you need to do is practice on yourself. If you practice on yourself, you'll get confident. And if you mess someone else up, you know, they might kill you, but if you mess yourself up, you'll live and you learn. So that's basically the end of this taper. I'm gonna do the lineups and everything, and I'm done talking for now, y'all. So enjoy the rest of the video. If you haven't liked it yet, make sure y'all smash the like button. So what do you think so far, bro?
Bro, this is looking crispy, man.
Yeah, we see the waves. Deep now.
Hey,
that was a good whoop. Hey, bro, I said the waves, fam. I said the waves, bro.
Yo, last time I seen you guys in the comments hating crazy.
What they saying?
A lot, bro. A lot, bro.
So that motivated you to wolf and, you know, turn your shit up. Now what do the haters gotta say, bro?
I mean, they're gonna have something to say, but the next cut, I guess, is gonna be even better.
Yeah, they'll still find some shit to say, as always, you know. Well, let me get into this lineup right now. Let me trim down the top. This was your sensitive side, you said?
Yeah.
Because I want the hair to start growing back from in here, right? So I'm just going to line it up from here and let hair grow back. So I'm just going to straighten it up. So I'm not going to push it back at all. Damn, bro, I got you cleaned up. Shit. Holy fuck. Kind of want to go back with this taper and blend this more from here to here.
I remember last time you said you had the line still.
The line?
Yeah, remember?
Yeah. Yo, I'm looking at him right now, you guys, and yo, it looks kind of clean, yo. It looks like I gave you the razor. Well, let me see how the side looks on camera. So, as you can see, I kind of want to make this lighter, but then again, I don't know.
How about the
Go to the other side. I could blend that side a little more as well, but I could also leave it too, you know? I think I'm gonna blend it. Alright, so the cut is finished. You did this is the Wavy merch do-rag. What's the coupon code, fam?
Fresh Denny.
Tell them.
1,000% off.
1,000%. So, okay, let's see how it's looking. Let's see. Okay. Wait, let's open this door and stand outside so you can get some real light.
What's on right here?
Alright, let's go for. So let me come on this side.
You know it's cold outside.
Yeah, that's facts. Okay, let's get the spin around. Okay. Come back to the light. Yeah. Yo, that's serious right there. You can see the depth, bro. And then turn this way. Yeah, there we go. Come closer. Yeah, there we go. Right there, right there. Banging. There you go. So, line up on the back, little taper on the back. likes like a higher taper that balls straight over. So we got the taper there, line up on top, and then same thing on the other side. So y'all leave in the comments, post in the comments what you guys would rate this cut out of 10. I think I would give this, I'll personally give it like an 8, to be honest. I think I could have done better. You know, I could have done better, but it's gonna take, I'm not a barber, but it's gonna take time for me to get used to cutting someone else's hair. It's my first time cutting hair, and
just 2 for 2 so far.
2 for 2, so that's all that matters. Both were passes, so
100%.
Okay, you happy with the cut?
And we outside.
And we outside, yo, we outside, yo. Let's get it, bro. Post in the comment section what you guys think of the cut. Make sure you follow my boy Denny on IG. Follow me on IG. I'm gonna have everything in the description below. And Fresh, what's it? Fresh Denny?
Fresh Life Denny. Oh, Fresh Denny is
the coupon code. Yeah, Fresh Denny. So yo, we're gonna catch you on the next video, y'all.